These are some examples of components that are usually installed by making holes in the box project that we are working on. In this video, I will share tips on how to make holes in the electronics box to install these components.
What? What are you talking about?
When choosing components to be installed on a panel or project box, I always try to look for components that have a round physical shape. And the main reason is, making holes in panels or project boxes in a round or circular shape is always easier when compared to square holes. For example, for this female DC power supply socket, I always have trouble when making holes for this socket. It's very difficult to make a square hole neatly. I want to say, making round holes like this is much easier. We only need a tool to make a hole according to the size we want. No matter how many holes are made, with the right tools, we will do it easily. These are my favorite tools when making holes. These two tools are called step drill bits. This is a small step drill bit, and this one is a big step drill bit. This step drill bit has diameters ranging from 2 mm up to 12 mm. This step drill bit has sizes from 6 mm to 35 mm. From these two step drill bits. So this small step drill bit is what I use most often. To use it, I usually use a screwdriver handle for the holder. To make a round hole, we do not need a drilling machine. Just turn it by hand like this. Besides the step drill bit, another favorite tool is this Reamer knife. I also often use this when making round holes. This tool is made of very strong steel. The diameter at the ends is about 3 mm, and the base has a diameter of 16 megameters. To dig or make holes, we just have to do it like this. Observe the following demonstration. I've marked a hole here. To make the initial hole, we can use a drill that has a slow rotation speed like this. Or a more powerful and faster drill, like this one. But for me, the easiest way is to use a soldering iron like this. This is the opening hole, so that the end of the step drill bit can enter. And we will make a hole to insert this socket. In addition to the step drill bit, we can make holes with this Reamer knife. Slight weakness. If using this knife Reamer, then we will be a little difficult to make the right hole. We have to be really careful not to make the hole too big. For example, the diameter of this socket is 11.3 mm. If you use a step drill bit, the most appropriate step is this one. The point is that the target diameter of the hole that we will make can be more controlled with these steps. We just need to focus a little bit on which step we have to make a hole in. But the point is that these two tools will really help you. Pay attention to the shape of this hole. Neat. And perfectly round, right? Imagine if we made a hole with a tool like this. It would be a mess, of course. If you want to make a bigger hole, we can use this step drill bit. For example, a hole this big. The point is to make a round hole with these tools is really easy to do. And just a suggestion for you. Choose components or accessories that have a round physical shape. Avoid those that have a square physical shape. Unless forced, of course. In my opinion, as long as we want to browse a little. There is always a component model that is round like this. Before I end, if you don't have it yet, immediately buy this step drill bit, or Reamer knife. There are many sizes and models on the market. We just have to choose according to taste. Thus this video I present. Hope it doesn't take up your time. See you in the next video.
Aneka.